Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create an everyday and daily light no makeup look that's natural, glowing, and perfect for everyone. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just love that fresh-faced vibe. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video for more videos like this. Let's glow. Step 1. Prepping the skin. We start with skin prep. For moisturizer, if you want something lighter, especially for oily or combination skin, the Clinique Moisture Surge 100H Hydrator is a great option. It's a gel cream texture that sinks in quickly, and it's packed with aloe bioferment and hyaluronic acid, giving your skin that plump, hydrated look without heaviness. Next is sunscreen, which is essential even if you're going for a no-makeup look. The La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt-in Milk SPF 60 is excellent for sensitive skin because it's dermatologist-tested, lightweight, and doesn't leave a white cast. It feels almost like a moisturizer and works beautifully under makeup. Step 2. Base, skin-like and natural. Now for the base, for that light skin-like finish. If you're looking for a budget option, the Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream is under $10 and gives light coverage that evens out the complexion while still looking natural. It also has SPF 30, making it a great everyday product for quick application. For concealer, I suggest applying only where needed, like under the eyes or on blemishes. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer is lightweight, oil-free, and blends seamlessly without creasing, which makes it perfect for daily wear. Step 3. Brows. Next, let's move to brows, which frame the face. For a natural but polished brow, LF you have sparse areas. The NYX Micro Brow Pencil is perfect for drawing in fine, hair-like strokes, and it's also very affordable. Step 4. Eyes, minimal and fresh. For the eyes, I like to keep it simple. Mascara is the main focus here. The L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara is one of the best drugstore mascaras for volume and length. It gives a fluttery, dramatic lash effect, but still looks natural with just one coat. For a little extra definition, you can add a touch of brown eyeliner, like the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil in Bourbon, which is a soft brown shade with a hint of shimmer. It gives definition without the harshness of black eyeliner. Step 5. Cheeks and glow. Now for the cheeks, which really bring the look to life. I love cream blushes because they melt into the skin and look like a natural flush. The Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in the shade. Happy is extremely pigmented, so you only need the tiniest dot. It blends easily with fingers or a sponge, lasts all day, and looks like a genuine healthy glow. For a drugstore dupe, the ELF Halo Glow Liquid Filter works almost the same way, adding a luminous veil without glitter. Step 6. Lips, soft and juicy. Finally, let's finish with lips. For this kind of look, I love tinted balms because they hydrate while adding just a hint of color. Another great choice is the Fresh Sugar Tinted Lip Treatment SPF 15, which nourishes lips with sugar and oils while giving sun protection and a range of beautiful shades.